I am making 200 stickers for my coworker, and I did not want to use print then cut because it wastes a lot of sticker paper. So instead, I made a little template on my cutting mat. What I did was I just taped down some tape with a piece of paper, and then in Design Space, I put an 8.5 by 11 square. And when it showed the mat and where it cuts on the machine in the software, it didn't move anything. And so now I'm letting it cut right where it originally places that square, which means that is where my machine is going to cut a piece of paper every time. Then when I upload my sticker file, I make sure the size of that is also 8.5 by 11. And that way I can just put it directly into my template and not have to worry about where it is going to cut because I already have it perfectly sized. Because it was my first time doing this, I did try it out first just with paper instead of sticker paper so that I wasn't wasting anything, but it did work perfectly well. I just used the PNG for Procreate and I uploaded it into Cricut and it cut out all of my stickers exactly where I wanted them to be. Once I knew that this method worked, I went ahead and I printed out my 20 sticker sheets with my stickers on them, and then I used my self-laminating sheets to go over top to make them waterproof, and I just squeegeed out any air bubbles. After squeegeeing, I just went over it again a couple times with my braying tool just to make sure that the laminating sheet was perfectly flat against the sticker sheet, and that way it would all be cut as one piece when I put it on the Cricut. Then I lined up my corners, and I did just tape it down because my mat is on its last legs, so I taped it down so that it would stay on the mat while it was cutting. It took some trial and error because of the top laminating sheet. The paper is a little thicker, so I had to find the right cutting setting. And the setting I ended up using was the faux leather setting with more pressure. And this made it so the stickers could just slip right off and I didn't have to worry about cutting them a second time through. I repeated this process 20 times where I just would line up my sticker sheet with the corners of my template and let it cut with that faux leather setting. Then I had to sort all of the stickers because I made 10 different sayings and I wanted to make sure I had the right amount for each. And after all that, I had 200 completed stickers.